安装挡刀板 ，Install the tool setting device。调整高度，拧紧螺丝 ，Adjust the height and tighten the screws。拿掉吸盘保护膜 ，Remove the suction cup protective film。放上刀片 ，Put on the blade。设置精磨和粗磨下刀量 ，Set the cutting amount for fine and coarse grinding。设置磨头角度，使磨头对准刀具。Set the grinding head angle to align the grinding head with the knife。开启自动模式 ，Activate automatic mode。开启磨头和水泵 ，Turn on the grinding head and water pump。按绿色左右同手按钮，磨头开始移动。Press the green left and right walking buttons, and the grinding head will start moving。白色上下按钮调整砂轮与刀的间隙 ，White up and down buttons adjust the gap between the grinding wheel and the knife。也可以通过右上角的手轮调节。It can also be adjusted through the hand wheel in the upper right corner。现在磨刀机开始自动下刀研磨。Now the sharpening machine is automatically cutting and grinding。移动限位板可以自由调整磨刀形成位置。The movable limit plate allows for free adjustment of the grinding stroke position。